batan this brown dog. Eh! Hala, hala. No, 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 no. Eh, hala, hala. Mga tao kasi dito. Ang puwit kasi niya.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Today is Friday and it's snowing. Not crazy snowing yet. There is some snowflake coming down. It's not a lot. You really cannot see that snowflake. So Tommy is leaving very soon. And yeah, he's leaving, but there's snowflake out there. Now, can you see? Yeah. He's leaving, going to work. And ako naman, guys, maglilinis. Ang kati dito, oh. Ito talaga pag maghalik-halikan kayo ng asawa mo. And then may balahibo na hindi niya sinishave. Ay, ginoo ko. Kumakati at kumakata. Mag-ano tayo. Maglilinis ako ngayon, guys. Kasi, lalabhan ko yung mga cover para kapag yung bisita makaupo doon at saka, fresh yung upuan. Kukunin ko si Lloydie. Kukunin ko si Lloydie mga 1 o'clock at saka may snow. And I'm going to clean the stove. You know me, I clean the stove. Not all the time. Kini-clean ko lang siya kapag may nakikita na akong spot para talagang mawala yung spot at hindi mag-stay there kasi meron dito, I don't know if makikita niyo, meron siya dito. Hey, bug, you cannot go in there. Ay, nako. Ang ginaw ngayon, guys, 26 degrees sa labas. So, below freezing ngayon. Sobrang ginaw. Huh? Yeah. You buri, huh?
It's basically like soft scotch. But it's a little less abrasive.
Yeah.
Yeah, it works pretty good, but we're almost out of it.
Guys, Tommy called me. He said he found 2 dogs. And then, itong dalawang aso, itong dalawang aso, nagpalaboy-laboy doon sa kalibunan, doon sa mga kakahuyan, ganun. And then ito na, tinawag ko sila, very friendly. Dalawa sila, look. They're very friendly. Hello. Hello. Binigyan ko ng tubig. Look, ito po, very pretty, guys. Oh. Buti na lang hindi. Natakot ako, guys. Tinawag ko sila. Natakot ako, baka kagatin ako. Tinawag ko sila sa porch namin. Come here! Come here! Very friendly mo na. They're very friendly. Look, tignan nyo. Halay. Grabe itong dalawa, baka luka. Ang ganda pa naman nila. Buti na lang, guys, hindi nangagat. Alam nyo ba na sobrang takot ko sa malaking aso na yan. Look, sobrang laki kasi. Natakot ako, baka kagatin ako. Look, very friendly. Kita muna, tumawag na hugad. Hello? Hi, they are in our backyard, happy. In the fence, I called them and they said they're calling the woman, whoever, whatever.
So they're in our backyard, so they're fenced in?
Yeah, they're safe.
Okay.
Batan this brown dog. Eh! Hala, hala. No, 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 no. Eh, hala, hala.
Give them a treaty or something, huh?
No, our dog is going crazy. And the white dog is jumping in our glass. I was worried. I give them water because they're thirsty.
And give them a treaty too, huh?
Maybe they're hungry.
Oh, give them a treat just because.
Okay, I will give them. They want to go away, but I don't want you to go away. They wanna go. He's crying. The big dog is crying.
That's what I'm saying. Give them a treat.
Okay, I'll give them treats. Okay, Han, bye, Han. Get down. He's crying.
You don't have any bones there, right?
Huh?
You have no bones?
No. Hold on. Bye, Han, bye. Okay. Move. No. You stay there. You stay there. I'll be right back. Hello. Hello, I'm here.
Oh, hi.
I'm in the backyard.
Oh, you got the dogs?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You just lost them just now?
Yes.
Oh my God, they are very friendly.
Yeah, they are friendly.
Luckily, I was afraid of the big ones. I called. They
Oh,
are.
he's a big baby.
Yeah, they're running around. So I said, "Come here."
They come to you, see?
Luckily, they
Where
don't.
are they? Are they trapped?
Yeah, I put them over
Oh,
there.
good. Thank you so much. I don't know how she got loose. The other one runs free, but the white one's mine.
Oh my God, they are very. They're
Bad.
sweet. They are
She
sweet.
broke her leash.
Oh, she did.
She did.
Okay, we're not gonna leave.
Wait a minute. I don't want her to get out.
Okay. Hello, hello, hello.
Get in. Get in.
Tika, tika.
Get. Can you put that on her?
Okay, okay. Oh, wala.
Bo! Bo!
No, no, it's.
All right, I got her.
Okay.
Come on, Bo! Bo! Oh, he got in the car. Thank you so much, ma'am. Oh, so now I got to get a whole new leash. Thank you so much. You saved me.
You're welcome. Oh, she went in.
Yeah. See, it's broken.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Tinawagan ko yung 911. 911 talaga yung tinawagan ko kasi hindi ko alam yung mga animal control number. So, animal. So, tawagan ko si Tami ulit. Tinawagan ako. Nag-froze ako sa labas. Ang ginaw kasi, grabe, yung babae. Alam nyo ba yung babae? Naka-dress pa siya, di ba? Parang hindi siya protective. Sobrang ginaw niya. I'm sure nagwala yung babae as in. Yung parang Parang naano yung babae. Kasi ganyan yung naramdaman ko. Ganun yung naramdaman ko noong si Roxy at saka Misty lumalaban sa kalabas para akong baliw na hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Pero guys, buti na lang itong dalawang asong to. Doon ako sa porch. Sabi ko, come here! May sasakyan pa naman. Doon sila sa across the street. Patungo sila sa akin nila. Nakita nila ako takbo ng takbo. Akala ko, patay. Kasi ang laki pala guys, yung brown, ang laki. So, patay. So, buti na lang, very friendly guys. Very friendly talaga as in. So, may sasakyan pa naman. Doon ako natakot. So, buti naisip ko, ilagay ko sila sa fence para safe, para hindi talaga sila makalabas ulit. Yung brown dog, as in umiyak talaga, parang puppy, parang si Roxy. At ito namang dalawang aso, tahol na parang buang. Tawagan ko muna si Tami, and yun yung morning natin ngayon. Ay, naku, kaloka talaga. Oh, nakasave tayo ng dalawang aso. Kasi alam mo guys, kung hindi natin sila na-save, mapatay sila or kakainin sila ng coyote or masagasaan ng sasakyan. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm gonna call Tommy. So, nabisi lang ako kanina sa aso. Ngayon, katapos ko lang. At itong aso ko, pinalabas ko sila guys. Look, pinalabas ko sila doon. Oh. Alam nyo ba kung anong ginagawa nila ngayon? Inano nila yung amoy ng aso. Kasi nagwewe kasi yung aso. So, inamoy nila yung buong yard. May pinapasok yung ina namin dito. Hindi ko sila kilala. Ba't pinapasok yun? Inaamoy na yung yard. Don't go run away from mama. Because if I lost you, I don't know what to do. I will be crying forever. Okay? Don't do that. Did you see that two dogs? They were lost. They cannot find their way back. So if you do that, Misty and you, I will be it's really hard. So, you know, what if I lost you? Roxy, listen to mama. Don't do that, okay? You stay here. You stay in mama's and dada. You're not leaving us, okay? Dada loves you. And you always get some treats and bouncy. Mama will be right back, okay? I'm gonna pick up Tita Lloydie. Okay? I'm going to get Tita Lloydie. Remember Tita Lloydie? She's so nice, right? I will pick her up. That we can cook biko. Yeah. Mama will be right back, okay? I love you. I love you. Do you wanna go with Mama? We're almost there. Do you wanna go? We're gonna go see Dada. You remember in the other house, every time we go there, and then we're gonna go out there, and then we're almost there. Yun yung gamit ko sa kanya, guys. Almost there, alam niya. Hello, guys. Ano tayo ngayon, guys? Alis. Tignan nga natin kung anong meron ako dito. Oh yeah, meron akong bihon dito guys. I think mag-ano tayo. Kain tayo nito guys. Dito na lang ako kain ito. Kalimutan kong kumain. Uy. So, I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, I don't know if you can see me, but malapit na tayo kay Lloydie. Kukunin na natin si Lloydie. Nakikinig lang ako ng music. Wala, ang daming ibon. Ang daming ibon. Dito na siya guys. Dito na si Lloydie.
Hello.
Ay, ang ginaw. Ba't wala kang ano?
Hindi ako, akala ko kasi okay lang eh. Okay. Pero meron naman siya, okay lang.
Alas tayo, alerts?
Rejoice tayo?
No, hindi. Sa 32.
Market.
32.
Okay. Hindi ako nagganyan kasi sabi ko, kapal eh.
Ha? Yung coat?
Ano, kumusta?
Seatbelt.
Oo nga pala.
Okay lang. Kagabi?
Ano nangyari kagabi?
Naloko na ang mga tao. Galit na galit ako kagabi. Ay, para akong buang talaga.
Totoo? Ano sabi niya?
Ha?
Ano sabi niya? Okay.
Akala, di ba yung bihon yung pwede lagyan nito? Uy, hindi na tayo magbihon.
Okay, hindi. Okay lang. Magbibiko ba tayo? O hindi? Mabilis lang yung lutuin.
Hanap tayo ng brown sugar, guys. Hindi ko si Lloydie. Nahihiya man ako mag-vlog, pero
Bumibili ako. Ito yung rice na binibili ko.
ito man ang gusto ko. Hala, walang mahal.
Ito yung binibili ko. Ay, hindi medyo malaki.
Ito man yung binili ko. Ito din, oh. Alam mo na yan, ang mahal nito. Iyan, 27. Alam mo, sa ShopRite, 21 lang. Tingnan mo. 27.
Kasi ang binibili ko sa ano lang. Kasi ako lang naman kumakain ng rice.
Ito yung binili mo.
Ito.
Ito man yan sa akin. Pero ngayon, kapag wala ako, ito yung bilhin ko. Ito siya.
Tapos ngayon, sa Walmart, ang daming ano yan, jasmine rice.
Iba naman yun, pero ito yung gusto ko talaga. Tagadala ng cartridge. Sinasabi ko, okay lang daw siya. Ayan. Dito tayo. Ito, kumakain ka ba ng mga ganito? Frozen?
Ano lang? Dati lagi siyang
Ano na, ready ka na? Na-voice it si Lloydie. Mga tao kasi dito, ang puwit kasi niya, sobrang ganda tignan.
Tapos gumano kasi, B. Okay lang saan. Tapos biglang, gumano.
Sabi niya, ang cute ng puwit mo.
Tapos pagtingin ko, nakaganon pala siya.
Kanina, nakatingin nga ako sa puwit mo. Ang cute eh. Pag lumakad, lalo na lumakad ka, gumagan, tiyong.
Panlalaki to.
Ay, naka. Anyway guys, alis na kami. Papuntang bahay.